welcome to Arnav. Today is the 11th episode in the geography series. So today we are going to discuss about the only ocean which is named after a country, the Indian Ocean. Because it is named after a country, something related to the Indian flag will be seen in my background. So find where it is. Yeah. So it is the third largest of the world's 5 oceanic divisions. Yes, the third largest. That means it makes it the third smallest also. Yeah. So after it in size is the Antarctic Ocean, also known as the Southern Ocean, and after that the last ocean is the Arctic Ocean. But before the Indian Ocean, it is the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. So the Indian Ocean covers 70 million square kilometers. That's a lot of land area. So that makes it 19.8% of the water on Earth's surface. Yes, it is 19.8% of water surface area on Earth. Yeah, that's a lot. That means only divided by 5 from 100, 1/5. And yeah. So it is bounded by Asia to the north. So I'll show it by a diagram. So this is the Indian Ocean. I think this is the Indian Ocean I am drawing. Okay. So this is the Indian Ocean. I will to show that it is the Indian Ocean. Okay. So up here is the big continent of Asia in the north. Next, Africa to the west. Africa, the second largest continent in the world. Yeah. So here is the Horn of Somalia, which is a horn of Africa. Next, Australia to the east, the large country of Australia, continent of Australia. So AUS or Australia. So normally here there are islands. So this is the Asia. These are the islands until Australia here. So here it goes like this. So yeah, this is the Indian Ocean in this side. Yeah. Okay, and also a bit south to Australia. Not only north and west of Australia. It also goes a bit south. So, and to the south is the Southern Ocean, of course, because it is in the south. So, here is the Southern Ocean, with Antarctica somewhere down here. Yeah. Okay, so it has some large marginal and regional seas. If you don't know marginal and regional seas or types of seas, so regional seas are the seas that are like in bordering the ocean and land at the same time. That means it has a huge border to the ocean it is in the land it borders. While these marginal seas are the seas which are like the Mediterranean Sea in the Atlantic Ocean. For example, this is Africa and this is Europe. So these two bond together once. So there will be a small connection over here called the Strait of Gibraltar. So here the water goes into the Mediterranean. Yeah, that is called the marginal sea. MS for marginal sea. That is what marginal seas are. So some of these are the Arabian Sea, which is like India and Arabia. Between this, next the Laksadiv Sea, which is between India and the Maldives. Next is the Somali Sea, of course, next to Somalia, like over here. Next, the Bay of Bengal. Yes, the Bay of Bengal, the second largest sea in this Indian Ocean. The first largest being the Arabian Sea. Yes. Next, the Andaman Sea, which is like a part of the Bay of Bengal. Next, the Red Sea over here. There are many more, like the Persian Sea. There are many more. Yeah, lots of seas. Yes, every ocean has seas. Yeah. Okay, so the max length of the Indian Ocean is 9,600 kilometers. That means from north to south or to south to north. So this is from the Bay of Bengal to the Southern Ocean's border, while the max width is 7,600 kilometers. That means it will go from east to west or west to east. So this is between Africa and Australia here. So yeah, that is the max length and max width of the Indian Ocean. Yeah, so in the Indian Ocean, the average depth is 3,741 meters, almost 4 kilometers, but it is actually 3.7 kilometers. But the max depth here is 7,258 meters down. It is in a place called the Java Trench. Yes, so this Java Trench is right under the Indonesian island of Java. Yes, the Java, which has the most population in an island. Yeah, it has a lot of people in it. It has more people than the entire population of the biggest country of Russia. Yeah. So, okay. All of the Indian Ocean is in the eastern hemisphere. Yes. The point between the west and east hemisphere, or the divider between them, is somewhere over here, far away. Like there. It is called the prime meridian, while the meridian is somewhere there. I can't show it on board because it's more this side. Yeah. Okay. The Indian Ocean is artificially connected to the Mediterranean Sea through the Suez Canal. It was built in the 20th century. Yeah. That means it's recent, which is accessible via the Red Sea. So here is the Red Sea. This is the Suez Canal, which connects to the Mediterranean Sea, which connects to the Atlantic Ocean. And also the Indian Ocean also borders it right here when Africa is down. Yeah, so it borders it there. Yeah, so okay. The climate of the Indian Ocean north of the equator is affected by a monsoon climate. So the equator is somewhere right here. So on north of this, there's a monsoon effect. Yes, going in the Arabian Sea. So in the Arabian Sea, the violent monsoon brings rain to the Indian subcontinent. There are heavy rains here. Yeah. So it will just go to give rains to all of India. Not very great. Yeah. So the Indian Ocean is the warmest ocean in the world. Yeah, and one fun fact, since 1912 to 2011, the temperature was increased by, guess it? So the temperature increased by 1.2 degrees Celsius. That may feel less to you, but it is very bad for life in the oceans. Yeah. Okay. So the Indian Ocean contains the largest submarine fans of the world, which are the Bengal fan and the Indus fan. So I'll explain what these submarine fans are. So normally there is a river. So the river will flow into the ocean. So the area affected by the river, that means the river water will come here. This place is called the fan. So the largest fans are of the Indus River's fan and the Bengal fan, which is a group of fans of rivers. So the Bay of Bengal contributes more than half of the runoff water to the Indian Ocean. Yeah. Okay. An Indian Ocean garbage patch was discovered in 2010. Yeah, it covers at least 5 million square kilometers. That is larger than many countries. But even the Pacific garbage patch is a lot bigger, and a lot wider. Yeah. So the coral reefs, seagrass beds, and mangrove forests, yes, all of these swamp-related and ocean-related things are the most productive ecosystems of the Indian Ocean. Yes, fishes also exist. Even guess it, the blue whale also exists in the Indian Ocean, but they are endangered here. So treat them very carefully. So 80% of the world's seaborne trade in oil transmits throughout the Indian Ocean. That means a lot of the trade in oil happens in the Indian Ocean. Because, guess it? So the answer is because of the Arab countries. These countries have a lot of oil in them. This trade happens mostly in the Indian Ocean. It goes to other countries near the Indian Ocean or in the Pacific Ocean like Australia. So that's why there's a lot of oil trade. Yeah, and did you find the Indian flag related thing? That is this, a Rubik's Cube of the Indian flag. It is over here. Yeah, did you find it? If you found it, tell it in the comments. Yes, comment it. Yeah, so this is about the Indian Ocean. Bye.